your channel. Below that, under stream optimizations, this is going to depend on the strength or the ability of your internet. If you have very strong or fast internet, then you can go to normal latency or ultra low latency for a very, very slow. Now, the next thing that I want to show you guys is going to be monetization. If you want to monetize your stream, you can do it that way. And I think I failed to mention this, but if you want to change the thumbnail, which I highly recommend that you do, basically it works just like a video. Go to change thumbnail here and then basically choose the thumbnail you want to use, and that's going to be the thumbnail that we see. Last thing I want to show you guys basically is the encoding software. So the encoding software, you have to think of it like this way. You've got to give OBS a way to connect with your YouTube channel. And so down below at the very bottom of this here, below the stream information, below the basic information, you are going to see something that says encoder setup. So what you're going to want to do is this guy here that is hidden, and I'm going to leave it hidden, is basically your stream key. This is the key, no pun intended here, to allow you to live stream on YouTube. If you don't have this correct or proper key inputted or inserted into OBS or whatever streaming software you're using, YouTube and OBS will not be talking with each other, and your live stream will never happen. So you've got to make sure you copy that stream key. So go ahead and reveal that and copy that. So I'm not going to show you that now. I'm going to go ahead and copy mine and then go ahead and navigate over to OBS and show you how to put it in OBS now. So quickly before I hop over to OBS, select all of the numbers and letters within this box here and then right click and copy, and then go ahead and navigate over to OBS. So now we have opened up OBS. Now how do we set this up within OBS to make sure that the two are talking with each other? What you're going to want to do now is go to the settings in the lower right hand corner of the OBS box. Under this option, you need to copy, and then go ahead and navigate over to OBS. So now we have opened up OBS. Now, how do we set this up within OBS to make sure that the two are talking with each other? What you're going to want to do now is go to the settings in the lower right-hand corner of the OBS box. Under this option, you need to go to the second tab, which is titled Stream. Under Stream, you're going to want to change that service from whatever you have it to be YouTube/YouTube Game. The server you can leave to be the primary YouTube server. That's what I always do. Now, if you're having some issues later on with, say, buffering and things like that, issues with latency, maybe you go here and choose a backup YouTube server and search for one closer to your location. But as of right now, I would leave it to the primary YouTube server. And then where the stream key, where you see this here, basically put your cursor there, select all of that, right click, and then go to paste. And then once you do that, if you want to make sure it is the correct stream key, you can click the show button here on the right, and that will show the characters to make sure you can double check and make sure they're exactly what you want them to be. Now, you can't just click OK. You've got to click apply in the lower right hand corner of OBS. So hit apply just like that there, and then